Welcome back to the SM Auto Reviews. Today we are going to dive deep into a detailed review of the Tractor Mess Jambo, a machine that has been making waves in the agricultural sector for its powerful performance, unique design, and affordability. This review will cover everything from the exterior build quality to the interior comfort, performance on the field, and even the pricing. So if you're considering investing in this tractor, make sure you watch till the end. Starting with the exterior, the Tractor Mess Jambo makes a strong first impression with its bold and muscular design. The frame is built from high-strength steel, ensuring it can withstand heavy workloads in the field while maintaining stability and durability. The tractor features a wide front grille that not only enhances the aggressive look, but also ensures proper airflow for engine cooling during long hours of operation. Its headlights are modern and bright, providing excellent visibility during early morning or late evening farming tasks. The large tires are designed with deep treads, offering superior traction even on muddy or uneven terrain, making it highly reliable for all types of agricultural work. The ground clearance is also impressive, allowing farmers to work smoothly without worrying about obstacles. Overall, the exterior design balances functionality and style, giving it a modern look that stands out in the market. Moving inside, the interior of the Mess Jambo is surprisingly comfortable for a tractor. The operator's cabin is designed with ergonomics in mind, ensuring that farmers can work for hours without feeling excessive fatigue. The seating is cushioned and adjustable, giving operators a customizable driving experience. Controls are strategically placed within easy reach, making it simple to operate even for those who are not very experienced. The dashboard is clear and straightforward, displaying vital information such as fuel level, RPM, and temperature. Some versions of the Mess Jambo also come with a semi-enclosed or fully enclosed cabin option, which provides protection against dust, heat, and rain, adding a level of comfort that many farmers truly appreciate. Noise and vibration levels are kept low compared to older models, which makes the tractor more user-friendly for long-term use. When it comes to performance, the Tractor Mess Jambo really shines. It is powered by a robust diesel engine that delivers a strong balance of power and fuel efficiency. Farmers need a machine that can handle heavy plowing, towing, and other demanding tasks, and this tractor delivers just that. The transmission system is smooth, offering multiple gears that allow the operator to switch between heavy-duty field work and lighter transport tasks with ease. Its hydraulic system is highly efficient, capable of handling various attachments, such as loaders, plows, and tillers, making it a versatile machine for different types of farming operations. The fuel efficiency is another strong point, as it is designed to give maximum output while consuming less fuel, which is a huge benefit for farmers looking to reduce operational costs. Whether it's working on flat fields, rocky surfaces, or muddy lands, the Mess Jambo proves to be reliable, powerful, and efficient. Now let's talk about pricing. The Tractor Mess Jambo is positioned as a cost-effective solution for farmers who need modern features without breaking the bank. While prices vary depending on the model and specifications, it generally falls into an affordable range compared to other tractors with similar performance levels. Buyers also get the benefit of lower maintenance costs, as spare parts are easily available and servicing is straightforward. Many farmers consider this tractor to be a great return on investment, as it combines durability, power, and comfort in a package that doesn't put too much strain on their budget. In conclusion, the Tractor Mess Jambo is an excellent choice for farmers looking for a strong, reliable, and efficient tractor. Its durable exterior, comfortable interior, powerful performance, and competitive pricing make it one of the top contenders in its category. If you're looking for a tractor that can handle all your farming needs without compromise, the Mess Jambo should definitely be on your list. Thank you for watching SM Auto Reviews, And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest vehicles and machines in the market. Would you like me to also shorten this into a spoken-friendly script so it flows more naturally for narration instead of just text-like?